Today I'll be showing you how to add your maps with QR code, instructions on how to use your QR code and the map link. So let's head over to MS Word. On MS Word, I don't just add my maps with just pictures like that. I use shapes to add my pictures. So whatever I'm going to do now, I'm going to use shapes and text box. It's quite easy once you get the hang of it. So before I start using my shapes and text box, I will need a grid line, or should I call it something like a guide, so I don't go outside the margins while working. So let me get my guide. You can use grid lines, these grid lines to guide you. So whatever you are doing will be inside these boxes. You can use this, then remove it later on. So I think we should just use this one. Or the method I actually use is I'll go to my footer section. I'll go to my footer section, edit footer. Then on this edit footer, I'll have to draw four lines that will guide me while inserting maps and other images I use for my travel guide. So I'll go to insert, shapes, then click on line. I use for my layout, I use narrow. I don't use normal or wide. I just use narrow to give me enough space while editing. So you can see this I've forgotten what this stuff is called, but I just have to gauge it, then draw a straight line. I'll hold shift, then draw a straight line down to the end. I'll do the same for the other place, but before that I'll turn this line to black. Then I'll come over here, do the same thing. Line, hold shift, then draw the line. Turn it to black. So I'll do the same for the top and the bottom also. After doing it on the side, I'll do it for the top and the bottom also. As you can see, I'm putting this line at the start of the text and at the end. So whatever I'm doing will be inside this box, because inserting shapes and every other thing, you might exceed the box without you knowing. So this line is like a guide, and I'm doing it on the footer section. When I'm done with the design, I can remove it, or when I'm done with whatever I'm editing, I can remove it. So the next is to draw the line at the top. Insert line and draw it here. Change it to black. Mm. Then same thing for the bottom. Insert black. If you look at the one at the bottom now, it's not sitting on the line perfectly. You can leave it like this, or you can decide to zoom. You can decide to zoom it, then you can easily work on it, draw it, leave it on the line, check. Mm, let's see. All right. So now I can exit the footer section. Just click insert, footer, edit footer, then you see close header and footer, exit it. So you have your guide already. You have your guide. So whatever you're doing will be inside this box, just inside here. See, there's an error. There's an error with this one because this line is supposed to be at this margin. So it's something you can edit. Whatever you edit on this page will affect this one also. So we can just go back, footer, edit, make a little adjustment to it. This should be fine. Yeah, that's okay. So the next thing is to get our map. Or yeah, this is the website we're going to use to get the QR code. qrcode-monkey.com. So, well, first things first, let's get the map. So, let me use my other Chrome. I think this will be better. Yeah. My VPN is currently on United Kingdom. That's why you're getting United Kingdom here. But normally, when I want to get my map, I use Windscribe. I use the Windscribe app to get the map. There's no need to switch it to Windscribe. So let me search for a location now. Map of Paris. Okay, this is Paris currently. This is Paris. You can either zoom or just crop it like this using your sniping tool. So while sniping, you'll make sure you have Google. Your Google is visible while sniping. So that's it. All right. So may I save mine? You can copy, but I save mine. Now I have my map. On this same page, I can get my map link also. So I'll click on share. But before I do that, let me insert the map. So I'll click on insert shapes. Then take this shape. See, I have my guideline already, so I'll know where to draw the shape. The reason why I'm doing this is so that one want to do another map of another location will not go through this stress, and I'll show you how. So on this map, we are on drawing tools. So if I click on this shape, you see this new pop-up drawing tools format. So I'll click on shape fill, picture. So let's go to the picture, the sniping I saved. I saved it on downloads, map of Paris. Then I can insert. This is it. So I can make this fill, or I can fit it on these picture tools. After inserting this picture, you see picture tools, format. So I can choose either to fit it. If you fit it, it will look like this. If you want your map to look like this, it's fine. If you decide to make it fill, fill will make it bolder, but it will exclude some part of the map. So let's go with this one, or fit. Then you can make these external places smaller. Then the next thing is to remove the outline on this map so it doesn't have external lines. Click on it, format, come to shape outline, no outline, to look natural on your page. This is the map of Paris. Next now is your link. You need your link, your QR code, and your instruction. And we're going to use shapes and text box also. So let's insert a shape. This shape will be for my QR code. Then insert again, text box. This one will be for my instruction. You still need two more text box. So I'll just copy this, two more text box. This will be for the header, name of the map. Then another one for my link. This will be for my link. So my link will be under here, will be under the map. This is a text box. So I can easily insert a text here without the stress of MS Word and its wahala. So this is map of Paris. Map of Paris. Make it bold. Centralize it. Make it bigger. So whatever you are doing inside this text box will stay inside the text box. It will not affect any other thing on your page. So this is my map of Paris. Then you can give it the color on your book you're writing, or however you decide to design it. Map of Paris. This text box and shapes are almost the same thing. Like if I start explaining, you get confused, but just follow what I'm doing. Map of Paris. Click on Format, Align, then Center. This will make this particular text box centralized. Remember, there are boxes here, but it's not going to look like this in the end. So you can click on it again. Shape fill, you give it no fill. Then the outline, no outline. You can click here, click on no outline to remove the box outline. Then our link. The link, you click on share. This is the short link. You copy it, paste it here. Click on enter so it becomes clickable. And all right, go to format again to make it centralized. Center, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. I'm going to do the same thing for the QR code. So now let's go over to getting the QR code. I've not used this website before, so we'll discover it together. So this is URL you can do for text, email, phone, blah, blah, blah. But we are focusing on URL. We're focusing on URL. So you can paste your URL here. I have it already. I'm coming. So paste. This is the URL. Whoever scans your QR code will be taken to this link here. So you can put whatever link you like here. Okay. Colors. So you can set your color, add your logo image, customize the design. So let's see customize design. Let's pick this. Okay. Let's see. All right. So if you click on this, this will change your QR code, the style of your QR code. Then I think this is for the outer layer of this box. Then this second one is for the inner layer. So if I put a box here or this one, I feel this circle will change. All right. So if I download this thing as a PNG now and I scan it, it will take me to the Google map. So let's see color. You can still change your color. I would like to try this logo image later on, but let's just stick to the basic. You can change your color. The color now is black. So let's give it green. Create. Okay. Then I saw something like custom eye color. I think these are the eyes. These are the eyes. So let's do a custom eye color. Custom eye color will be purple or blue, whatever it is. So whatever design you implement, just click on create QR codes to see it. Okay. Then I think this inner should be green. This should be for the inner. Should be green also. So alright. Yeah, I'm just playing around with it. So let me download it. I don't know if this will change anything, but download. Okay, it's downloading. Now time to insert it. We're inserting it on this box here. So click on format, shape fill, picture. This is what we just downloaded, QR code. This is it. Insert. So we have our QR code here. So here now we can use our feet also. Click on format here. This crop, then fit, so that the image will look neat inside the shape. And these boxes, we're going to remove it also. So let's click on the shape and then remove the outline. no outline. Then this place is for the instruction. This is for the instruction. So this is a text box, so you can easily type inside. You can decide to make this QR code bigger. You can decide to make it bigger. Just increase the shape, then click on either fit or fill. So it's bigger. Then instructions. You can type instructions here. Please. All right. Please scan the QR code to access the map in real time, or click the link below the map. Alright, you can decide to make this one bold. I'm going. Let me reduce the spacing of this one. Make it bold. I just want this particular one to be at the center. Alright, then caps. Alright. Then you can change the color, let's say color green. Then remove the outline. And this is just like the basic. You can add your style to it. This is just like a basic process. You can add your style to it. So after doing this, I don't expect you to do the same thing again. Let's say you have map of Paris, map of attractions in Paris, map of hotels in Paris. So what you do, you click on this. This is a text box. You click on it. Hold on Shift. Hold your Shift key. Click on your map. Scroll again. This is another text box. Hold on Shift again. Click on it. This is another one. Hold on Shift. Click on it. This is another one. Hold on Shift. Click on it. We are going to save this to quick paths, but before that we'll group it. We are grouping everything together. Group. So this whole thing we just did has become one body. So we're saving this now to our quick paths. So let's insert. You come over here. I don't know how it's going to look like on your MS Word, but it's one small box here on mine. Quick paths. Come to save. As you can see, I have other quick paths I've saved. So you come to save. The name, map of Paris. Map of Paris format. Okay, I've saved it. So let's check. Map of Paris format. It's here. This is it. So the reason we're saving it now is I've done map of Paris. Now I want to do map of attractions or hotels. So on my next page, my cursor is on this page. I'll just click on this, then come to map of Paris, click it. Now all I have to do is just edit this, but firstly just ungroup it, format, come to group, ungroup, so you have full control of your editing. So this one now will be map of hotels, hotels, don't worry, in Paris. Align center. Next is our hotels in Paris. Hotels. It's still the same thing. So these are the hotels. Eee. This is supposed to be in, no, it's not supposed to be in pounds, it's supposed to be in dollar, but my VPN is currently on United States. So for yours, make sure it's in United States. So let's go to sniping tools, new, then snipe. I'm coming. There's something I want to remove. I want to remove this area. All right. New, snipe. Make sure your goggle is visible. And then save. Hotels in Paris. Then let me get the link also. All right. Click on format, shape fill, picture, and then hotels in Paris. Format again, you can decide to fit or rather fill instead. Fill, so it looks bolder. While filling, if you notice, the goggle is no longer showing. So I'll have to fill again, bring it upward. Make sure the goggle is visible. And then the link, you can just highlight it, then paste. This is the new link. Then last is our QR code. Alright. I don't know if this is the same thing with the previous one, but I don't feel it's the same thing. So let's download. Alright. Format, shape fill, picture. This is a new one we downloaded. Insert. Okay, it's not the same thing. So we can go to format now and click on fit. So both looks the same way. So I guess we're done. Then you can save your work. Now, on the next video, I'll be scanning these maps. I'll be scanning these maps to see if they work. And then one last thing, after doing all this, let's remove these lines here. So let's go to insert, footer, edit footer. Then just delete the lines. Click on it and then delete or cut. Mm, cut. Then exit this section. This is how it's going to look like. We can save.